If you are completely new to Node.js, you might be asking, what is Node.js? Node.js is a platform. It allows you to run JavaScript code on a computer. Before Node.js, JavaScript code would only run in the web browsers, like this one, Google Chrome. So let me quickly open a new blank window here, about blank, and right click and click on the inspect here, and let's go to the console and let's write some JavaScript code. And you don't have to write this code with me, this is just a quick demonstration. Okay, so let's create a simple alert, window.alert. Using this alert method, we pass some message here. Let's say hello node.js, and if you hit enter, you see the alert pops up, which means that the code that we write, the JavaScript code, is understood by this web browser. Let's also write another message using the console log method. Let's pass some message here. Let's say learning node, and you see it is printed as well. So JavaScript code is understood by the web browsers, but it's not the same with our computer. So let me open a terminal here. Okay, and let's try writing the same code here, console log, and let's write the same message, learning node, and you see it says the syntax error. That means it does not understand the code we write. So this is where Node.js comes in. With a node, you can write JavaScript code and it will run on a computer. You will also get access to the computer's operating system. You can read, update, or delete files. You can communicate with the database and much more. In the next lesson, let's talk about why learn Node.js.